That's why you woke up late, Viana?
Yeah.
No, Uchu.
No, I wake up late because you know.
Because of my snoring.
Yeah.
Okay. And then in the night I shouted on you.
How Papa shouted on you, मेरे baby?
You said I love you keep I love you keep.
Ale Viana sleep like this. Why Papa is taking this much snore, Viana?
And then when you pick up me, and then you pick up you.
No, Vienna, but you are telling lie. I was not snoring. I was not sleeping at all.
You were saying.
I am not
Uchu,
doing this, sir. Don't say lie.
मुझे ऐसे
Don't say lie, huh?
मुझे यार ये तो इनफ हो गया मुझे तो बहुत ही हो गया
You were scaring me.
But how did I shouted on you? Tell me.
You said you keep.
clip always saying clip to Viana because of your snoring she didn't sleep last night.
No. She was not ready to sleep. She's just giving the reason.
Yes Viana.
She was disturbing me a lot, huh? She was not allowing me to sleep.
नहीं
Nine.
वो झूठ
Yeah,
नहीं
she was
बोलती
not allowing me to sleep.
नहीं yes नहीं
Papa say. Oh, Papa was you can. Papa you can. Papa was you can. Papa was looking in his eyes.
I was looking in my eyes or your eyes?
With Papa's eyes, Papa was looking me.
oh with Papa.
That's it.
Oh my god.
I was looking in angry.
Yeah.
In anger.
Then I was keeping. I was keeping.
Then you slept.
I was keeping it.
Oh.
So you were scared of Papa?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Then I pick up late.
But
Oh,
then,
my baby.
This is the reason you woke up late. But next time you should say, "No, Papa, you sleep quietly or you sleep outside. I want to sleep. I want to sleep." You should say me like this.
Okay Viana.